When I started out in crypto, I thought that NFTs were just super expensive art and collectibles. But then I heard about the VFriends project by Gary Vee, and it changed how I look at NFTs. For all of you who don't know who Gary is, just go and watch his videos first and then come back here. He's amazing. But jokes aside, Gary Vee is an entrepreneur, a public speaker, a thought leader, one of the biggest influencers on the internet today. For me, I discovered Gary's content when I was 16 years old. And boy oh boy, I got hooked to his content. His videos about gratitude, kindness, and not being entitled changed how I view the world. And I love Gary, and I could go on about him for hours and hours and tell you how amazing he is. And just like me, there are a lot of people who could do the same. There are millions of people who love Gary, who have learned something from Gary, who really admire him and appreciate the work that he's doing. So imagine, what would someone pay to have dinner with Gary? What would someone pay to be mentored with Gary? What would someone pay to just have a 5-minute call with Gary? The answer is a lot. A whole freaking lot. So he leveraged this position as a creator that he has by creating a NFT project called VFriends. So the VFriends NFT project is not just any regular NFT art project. Every NFT in the VFriends project is a ticket to experiences and interactions with Gary himself or with the community. A mentorship NFT gives you access to 45 minutes of Gary Vee one-on-one. A gift ticket NFT means that whoever holds that NFT, Gary will send them a gift every year for 3 years. And just like these, there are many kinds of different NFT tickets that he has created, which grant access to experiences and interactions with Gary himself. But these are just some of the special tickets out of his VFriends NFT collection. All the other NFTs are tickets to a 3-year conference exclusive for the token holders, organized by Gary Vee himself. A conference that talks about business, innovation, entrepreneurship, the creator economy, and everything that Gary is all about. But how do these NFTs look like? Well, Gary had a little bit of fun and created characters with the values that he believes in. Like the gratitude gorilla. It signifies gratitude, and I would really like to have the gratitude gorilla as my ticket to VCon. Because for me, even after the 3 years of the VCon, that NFT is like a souvenir. That NFT is like something I can show to other people that, oh, I believe in Gary Vee and I also believe in gratitude. So VFriends is not just an NFT project that exists on the internet. It's a community of people who believe in the same values, including Gary. This community is really valuable to the holders also because in the community, you'll find people who are just like you. You'll find people who think the same way as you do. So it's a great place to network. I see this project like a template for creators, a way of how you can create value and build a community using NFTs. I will not be surprised to see so many other projects very similar to VFriends coming up in the future because there are so many creators. And those creators have so many people who they can give value to, who they can create an exclusive community for. In fact, there are some projects in India who are also doing the same thing. So if you think that NFTs are just art, no, they're not art. They can also have utilities. Just imagine the things that can be possible with such type of ticket or access based NFTs. I'm just so happy to see all of this happening. Maybe I'll create my own NFTs in the future. Maybe. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.